Here is where manufacturing begins, where creativity becomes reality, integrity at the core, with a global outlook. 20 years of experience have shaped Ruiyi's story, and today a new chapter begins. We are an industrial manufacturer dedicated to CNC machining, covering the needs of multiple industries, transforming ideas into reality, earning trust through quality. With advanced production equipment and supply chain advantage, we have built a professional and international production team, offering high precision and efficient manufacturing solutions. At Ruiyi, customer needs are at the heart of everything we do. Through our professional expertise and effective communication, we ensure every customer's requirements are met with precision and efficiency. From a startup to an industry leader, we help numerous clients reduce costs, drive business growth, and achieve higher profits and delivery efficiency. Our products are widely applied in industry, such as telecommunications, smart homes, robotics, automation equipment, healthcare, and automotive. We've created tremendous value for our clients, earning widespread recognition and praise. Backed by ISO certification, we ensure product quality with responsibility and integrity. Showcasing our strength and commitment, Ruiyi operates a precision production center spanning over 10,000 square meters, equipped with advanced 5-axis CNC machining centers and imported CNC machines, including 5-axis and 6-axis longitudinal lathes, as well as combined turning and milling machines. Paired with coordinate measuring machines and our integrated management system, our production and delivery are more efficient and quick. Working hand-in-hand with global partners, our production team ensures that every product stands out in the market from design to delivery. We are committed to building a sustainable corporate culture, strictly adhering to responsibility standards, while promoting greening and sustainability of our supply chain. At Ruiyi, customer experience is paramount. We are not just suppliers, we are partners to our clients. Through efficient service and a sincere attitude, we maintain close communication with our customers, continuously earning the trust. Becoming a trusted global partner in industry manufacturing. Today, Ruiyi stands at a new starting point, ready to embrace the future with opportunities and challenges coexist. We look forward to working with more international partners to explore the limitless possibilities of manufacturing. Together, we will witness every spark of innovation becoming a reality. Ruiyi, creating a brighter future with you.